Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I got something in the mail, and so I got the marker Raffine coloring pencils. There are there are from I think they're from Hong Kong. Not sure. 72 coloring pencils. They're pretty nice. They're beautiful. Like I've been waiting for them about for weeks. I think it came from Hong Kong. It went from UK and then came here in my country. So yeah, package is so beautiful. I love it. Even if I wanted it to be in those silvery packages, and yeah, let's look the inside. Let me get my light over here and show it a bit better. So here they are. They're pretty beautiful. I love them. I love all the colors. I got all the colors so I can be pretty good with it. It also has I think the color is blender. I'm not sure. I think this is the color is blender. You see, it's nice. They have oil in them, so you can work with them. And I also have this white. Is so pretty. I love this white. Anyways, I also always wanted to get so many coloring pencils. I got them from eBay. They came about 22 euros, which in pounds there are 50 pounds, I think. So yeah, I love all these combinations of colors. They're so pretty. They have like from here there you can see that there are the grays. It also has, I think this is silver and this is gold. They're pretty nice. And also here are the grays, and also the color is blended over here. And over here there are browns, there are the greens going to the blues, and then going to the purples, and then going to the reds and the white. So I really like it. So we're gonna if you want me to review them, then I can review them. So yeah, maybe I will review them right now. I have a piece of paper over here, so let me just set up the thing that I put for the camera. So this is my paper. over here. So let's get a blue, and let's get the more blue, like this type of blue over here. And let me get the colors blender so we can mix. So here they are. The coloring is so smooth. It doesn't scratch the paper. It doesn't scratch the paper right now. And let me get this blue over here. Here. And then let's mix these colors. Yes, it's a really, it's colorous. It's really colorous. So colorous. So here's the mixing. Here's the mixing. It's not mixed well. It's good. The color blender is this thing over here. So they're quite really much good. They're really good. I love them. I love all the things that this box came. So I hope you like this video. If you want me to review some of my stuff that I have at home, maybe like my new Jelly Roll pen, my markers, and my watercolors, and yeah. So have a good day. Subscribe if you're new. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.